Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CSS aspirants. Today our topic is Earth-Sun relations. Life on Earth is dependent on solar energy, therefore the functional relationship between Earth and the Sun is of vital importance. Because of the perpetual motions of Earth, this relationship does not remain the same throughout the year. Earth's rotation on its axis. Earth rotates from west to east counterclockwise on its axis, a complete rotation requiring 24 hours. The sun, the moon, and the stars appear to rise in the east and set in the west. This is, of course, an illusion created by the steady eastward spin of Earth. Here is the diagram. Rotation causes all of Earth's surface except the poles to move in a circle around Earth's axis. Although the speed of rotation varies by latitude, it is constant at any given place on Earth, and so we experience no sense of motion. Rotation has several striking effects on the physical characteristics of Earth's surface. Most important are the following. The constancy of Earth's rotation in the same direction causes an apparent deflection in the flow paths of both wind and ocean currents. The deflection is to the right in the north hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. This is called Coriolis effect. The rotation of Earth brings any point on the surface through the increasing and then decreasing gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Although the land areas of Earth and are too rigid to be significantly moved by these oscillating gravitational attractions, oceanic waters move on shore and then recede in a rhythmic pattern as a result of the interplay of earthly rotation with these gravitational forces. The rise and fall of water level constitutes the tides. Undoubtedly, the most important effect of earthly rotation is the diurnal daily alternation of light and darkness as portions of Earth's surface are turned first toward and then away from the sun. This variation in exposure to sunlight greatly influences local temperature, humidity, and wind movements. The rotation of Earth has created bulge at equator. Earth's revolution around the sun. Another significant Earth motion is its revolution around the Sun. Each revolution takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 46 seconds. This is officially known as a tropical year, and for practical purposes is usually simplified to 365.25 days. The path followed by Earth in its journey around the Sun is not a true circle but an ellipse. Because of this elliptical orbit, the Earth-Sun distance is not constant, rather it varies from 147,164 kilometers at the closest or perihelion position. Here is the diagram you can see. While the varying distance between Earth and the Sun does not cause a change of seasons, two additional factors in the relationship of Earth to the Sun, inclination and polarity, work together with rotation and evolution to produce the changes of seasons. Equinox and solstice. There are only 2 times of the year when the Earth's axis is tilted neither towards nor away from the Sun, resulting in a nearly equal amount of daylight and darkness at all latitudes. These events are referred to as equinox. The word equinox is derived from 2 Latin words equus, equal, and nox, light. At the equator, the sun is directly overhead at noon on these 2 equinoxes. Therefore, on the equinox and for several days before and after the equinox, the length of day will be about 12 hours. The solstice is an astronomical event that occurs twice each year in June and December. As the sun reaches its highest or lowest excursion relative to the celestial equator on the celestial sphere, the seasons of the year are directly connected to both the solstices and equinoxes. The term solstice can also be used in a broader sense as the day when this occurred. The day of the solstice is either the longest day of the year or the shortest day of the year for any place outside of the tropics. Conditions on equinoxes and solstices. Here you can see the table: March, June, September, December.